Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services is more than just South Palm Beach County's most comprehensive social service agency. We're family. And like family, we're always here for you when you need us. When someone in your family needs behavioral health services, you want the very best for them. Rales JFS is proud to support our community by offering exceptional counseling services, support groups, psychiatry, and psychological testing from some of the area's top professionals. We believe that everyone in our community should receive the professional care they deserve, regardless of their ability to pay. Through our many support groups, including bereavement, caregiver support, parenting, LGBTQ, and others, Rales JFS provides an emotionally safe setting where individuals develop positive strategies to deal with the behavioral health issues that impact their lives.
Rales JFS offers individuals and families in South Palm Beach a vast array of interrelated services. If you're here, you're one of us, and when you need us, we're here for you. Because that's what family's for.
Contact Rales JFS today and see what we can do for you. Ruth and Norman Rales Jewish Family Services. We are family.